Hello, Dr. Davis. Hello, Dr. Davis. This is my review and resubmission of the annual program, Part 1. So, again, my client is going to be an 18-year-old high schooler, a guy, a man, and they're looking to improve their physical fitness to improve performance for a season of college soccer. So, some characteristics: he's 18 years old, Mexican background, slightly overweight, not by much. Height is 5'10". A biomechanical constraint or issue they might have is that they're prone to ankle injuries. They've had a few ankle inversions, and it's a little soft there. So, and as for competing wise, an average season will hold about 20 or so games. They usually span about 4 months. And he's going to be playing mostly outside. Every game is going to be outside. So the conditions are going to vary from hot to cold, dry to humid, stuff like that. As for the biomechanical movements, so he's playing soccer, and soccer involves a lot of running, quick sprints, balance on the ball, off the ball, recovering from intense exertions, so recovering from a fast play, strong lower limbs, requires agility and speed. So I think I've covered all of the questions for part 1. Let me know if I missed something. Thank you.